Ugh. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for tuning in for another Weedly vlog. I know I've been slacking. I have been slacking for the last 2 weeks or some shit. I don't know. I haven't posted a weekly vlog in a minute. So yeah, anyways, with all the whole coronavirus going on, here's a little clip of what I did during the week. A bunch of fucking sneaker releases that I went to, and I played ball a little and went to the gym. Alright, just give me 1 second. I'm gonna roll some doobie and then so we're gonna go 2 minutes. We're gonna try to make 20 shots total, 10 on each side, 5 on each corner, and then 10 free throws. Ready? Set, go. I got no strength! Go corner. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got no strength! Six for 10? Okay, so I'm gonna try to do all of that in 2 minutes as well. How many I get in? Yo, you wanna start it? All right, we're here on a Saturday, this guy, because we took a bunch of L's, so we're just gonna work out. And then we are done after this. So we're here at Yifang. You know what it is. Fruit tea. Never really tried anything else here. other than this drink, and I've been drinking this for like a year, for the last year. What the fuck? It looks so milky.
It's probably like
You feel better now? Oh, you just need something to drink.
it is what it is. That's pretty nice. But $150? You kidding? Yeah.
Alright, welcome back guys, welcome back. So I'm just gonna heat this up quickly and then I'm gonna take a quick dab. Just talk about what the fuck is going on with this world of ours, you know? Here we go. Cheers guys to coronavirus, people. Check it. So anyways guys, what I'm eating here, I don't know if you guys are a fan of Domino's, but Domino's been doing a lot of good shit lately. I mean, their pizza's been great. So what I have here is, I know a lot of you guys may not fuck with this topping, but this is pepperoni and pineapple. Let me know down in the comment below if you're one of those weird people that don't like pineapple on pizza, because I sure as hell do. You know, raise your hands up out there if you guys fuck with pineapples on pizza, because I fucking love it. Anyways, I get thin crust just because I fuck with it. I love thin crust. Okay. With the whole coronavirus going on, guys, make sure you guys wash your hands, that's it, and sanitize, please. This should be already a fucking norm to a lot of us. I don't know why it just so happened that, oh my god, we gotta sanitize, wash our fucking hands every fucking time now. Guys, if you guys didn't already do that before, what the fuck is wrong with you guys? Come on. I like it. So thin. If you guys like Hawaiian pizza, pepperoni and pineapple, yeah, it's definitely fire. Also, what I have here is avocado overload from J's and T. Really, really good. We have another drink there that's really good. It's called Pineapple. Banging. You guys can thank me later for that. I fucking said well blended. Fuck is wrong with these people? Anyways, spark this up. You know, the Sakai waffle release, and honestly, I wasn't feeling that sneaker at all. I don't know why people were lining up more than 3 hours for them. When I heard people lined up since like fucking the day before, resell is definitely life right now. And I can't believe it, man. For a very plain Sakai waffles, and resell is going for like, I don't know, 350 Canadian. I'm guessing. Let's see. My size is like 380 Canadian, so it's not so bad, I guess. Alright, the resell is like 235, 380. They're making like $150 profit. Personally, I wouldn't do that. It's too cold outside to be doing that. And yeah, passing on those two. But what else released in the week? The damn Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air. Those released, the white racer blue. Kind of like Dior type looking ones. These sold out. Honestly, personally for me, they're ugly as fuck. I'm not really feeling the whole patent leather on it, and also the kind of like see-through vibe to it, like the collar. Pass. You know, I'm not in it. And plus, like, if it's selling out like that, no way. No way. Those are outlet bounds. Alright, those are outlet bounds. Over the weekend as well, we saw the Safari Dunks release. I'm gonna show you guys a little clip right here. Yes, I did go to the damn fucking thing. But unfortunately, you know, I don't really like to camp out. So I went to 2 stores. Menu had to camp out the night before. Obviously, fuck that shit. I heard that Boardroom, which is another skate shop in Vancouver, which I didn't know that they get Nike SB, we're getting them, but they only released like 8 pairs to the public, so that was a fucking L. Over the weekend as well, we saw the Syracuse and Kentucky Dunks released. Out here in Canada, locally, unless you enter the raffle at Livestock, Haven didn't release their pairs because of the whole coronavirus and shit, and there was an incident that happened back in, I don't know, in Toronto apparently, so they didn't release. On Saturday, I was kind of disappointed because then I went there. But that one time that I'm fucking roaming around in Vancouver, they didn't drop it. And then also the, oh yeah, the Yeezys, another Yeezy came out. This pair right here came out. Jeez. I saw this kid, like I was lined up at Livestock thinking that they were gonna do a first come first serve on the Syracuse and Kentucky. Bro, I was so disappointed when the people told me like, oh, it's for the Yeezys. I don't want no Yeezys, man. It's just not worth it for me. At least not worth it for me to be reselling those shits. But hey, could be wrong. But anyways, guys, there's no more NBA this season, at least until like August, June, July, until June or some shit. I don't know what's going on, to be honest. I just want the NBA to be back because I do have an outstanding bet going on with 2 people that I will do a fucking giveaway to one of you guys and to my IG followers as well. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't already. I'm gonna give away a pair of shoes for sure. Alright, a nice pair of sneakers. It could be a custom. I did not pick up any pairs this week, but I do have a few videos coming up for you guys. I did distress my friend's Levi's for us. That video is coming up. But stay tuned for more content, guys, and truly appreciate each and every one of you guys that'll fuck with my fucking video. And to those new subscribers, thank you. We're almost reaching like 2K. I am quite happy with the slow progress that we're having. I like seeing growth to the Kush fam. Anyways, to end this video, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what the fuck I wore during the week. My rotation, basically. Obviously, you guys seen this. That's a Planet Trainers. Yayness. Wore that yesterday after to the gym. And this had been my gym shoes for the last, I don't know, man, since I've broken these out. So these are the Pegasus 32 Turbos. These are 35 Turbos. These are fucking sick. Pillows, right? Pillows. Air Maxes, Air Max 1s. Yesterday I wore a pair of these, the 3s. I also broke these out, the Mochas. And today I broke out these guys. The, you know what this is, Nigels. So that's what I wore this week. Hopefully I give you guys more fucking vlogs because, oh yeah, shit. I did buy something. So, I bought a t-shirt because, yeah, I didn't buy no shoes. A Phoenix Suns tee. This is a Lee's t-shirt. Really vintage shit. Right. But I picked this up at the local store called the Archive. I like their price tag is because it's it's an actual NBA card, a basketball card. So that's pretty slick. Nice touch, nice touch. So definitely check them out too if you guys are local. The Archive BC. They're located in Guildford, like literally across the street from the mall, from Red Robin, if you guys know what the fuck I'm talking about. I'm not picking up any pairs right now unless I get shit for retail, just because I have some shit that I gotta take care of prior to spoiling myself. I'm not gonna elaborate and shit, but it is what it is. Life goes on, you know, and I'm just happy that I don't have no coronavirus. Shout out to Jay Harris for letting me discover my doppelganger, my twin from another mother, the hippie. This dude is probably younger than me, is AKA Russell, you guys know. I've been listening to this shit a lot lately. Sure, we're both Asian, like we're probably Filipino too, but I don't know, man. You guys decide. Do we look alike? You know, let me post. I want to post a picture right here. Do we both look? Do we look alike? No? Yes? No? Leave a comment down below. Alright, leave a comment down below. Anyways, guys, that is it for this week's vlog, this Weedly vlog. And thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't already. And for those of you guys that enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. It's really appreciated. And also, those of you guys that are new to the channel that haven't subscribed yet, because I know a lot of you guys that are watching my fucking shit are not subscribed. I don't know why. What the fuck? I love each and every one of you guys that fuck with my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, guys, stay tuned for more content. Peace.